Hi guys, this is Tony. After this train goes by, I do not have time for anything else because everything else will be too late because I have to go to bed early because I'm going to San Marcos the next morning and stuff. So this is my last train for today. Yeah, and like I said, I'm sorry that I had to miss some stuff while working. And I'm very sorry about what happened with my audio. I think what happens, but that's one of those things. I was trying to plug in the headphones that was messing up. It's not the port or anything, so that's what it was. So sorry about that, you guys. Give me a more show anyway. That was awesome. So ha ha ha, no. There goes that one. Well, I ran out of time for the other stuff, digital outlet area. Since I'm going to San Marcos the next day, so have a great night. Bye bye.